Okay, so it's part of the Bistro 6 community kitchen is the outdoor community kitchen. Basically, what this comes down to is what I would like to see in my dreams of an outdoor kitchen. So we have a wood-fired pizza oven. We're gonna have a wood smoker. And then of course, we're gonna have a beautiful gas grill. This is also a place where you can come down, you can make pizzas, you can do your barbecue, and basically share the space with the community. Some of the brilliant aspects of designing the outdoor kitchen are there's gonna be lots of places to sit and kind of mingle, but more importantly, the cooking techniques. So we're gonna have the wood-fired pizza oven so we can roast pigs in there maybe, or pizzas, or do things like that. We're gonna have a gas grill, which anyone can go in and just kind of crank it on and go. And then we're gonna have the slow and low smokers. I think in everyone's backyard, they have dreams of what they need in their culinary equipment. So this Bistro 6 outdoor kitchen is gonna have a wood-fired pizza oven, which can be assisted by gas. So anyone can come in and make a Napoli-style world-class pizza at 900 degrees. It'll basically cook a pizza in about 90 seconds. We're also gonna have a Traeger, a wood pellet smoker, which is really designed for slow and low. So doing those pork butts or anything that's barbecue. So 6, 7, 8 hours, fall off the bone beautiful. And of course, we'll have a traditional gas grill. So all the residents of Bistro 6 will have access to this outdoor kitchen experience. You could have a pig roast, you could have a pizza party, you could have a T-bone steak party. Basically, it's choose your own adventure.